Have you ever gotten the sense that maybe, just maybe, someone has been thinking about you as more than just a friend? Like they've got you on their mind in a romantic kind of way? Well, in today's video, we're going to decode one major giveaway that those crush vibes are real. The types of questions a girl asks when she's been low-key fantasizing about you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to spot those telling questions that scream she's crushing and understand what those questions might really be hinting at. The first question on her mind is probably, what does he like to do for fun? Fun is such a key part of any romantic relationship, so she's wondering what kinds of activities and hobbies you enjoy. Does he love getting outdoors and going hiking, camping, that kind of thing? Or is he more of an indoors guy who's really into gaming, art, music? Getting a feel for your idea of fun gives her clues about whether you two could be compatible as a couple. Speaking of music, that's exactly her next question. What kind of tunes is he into? Music can be such a bonding experience for two people. She's maybe picturing going to concerts together, sharing playlist recommendations, that whole vibe. Your music tastes offer a little window into your whole overall vibe and values. Then she's bound to wonder, what does his daily routine look like? She's low-key trying to imagine how your lives could fit together. Like, when do you wake up in the mornings? How do you spend your days at work, school, or just hanging out? What's your typical sleep schedule situation? All those lifestyle specifics give hints about your compatibility as potential partners. Another big one is, what's his friend group like? The friend circle can definitely make or break a budding romance. She's sizing up whether your social scene is somewhere she could envision herself. Because let's be real, couples tend to spend a bunch of time hanging with each other's crews. She may also be curious about what's his relationship history. And no need to worry, she's definitely not trying to stalk your exes or anything. But she's likely wondering how many serious relationships you've had in the past and why they ended. Your dating history can give her clues about how you might act as a boyfriend. Another question that's probably crossed her mind. What are his goals and ambitions? She's considering whether your future paths could potentially merge one day. Like, does he want to settle down eventually? Or is he keeping things casual for now? Is he driven by a specific career passion or ambition? Knowing your bigger aspirations gives her a glimpse into your motivation and priorities. Now, here's one she's definitely pondered. What does he like about me? It's only natural for her to wonder if you've noticed things you find attractive about her too. She may be replaying any compliments you've given her, looking for hints of mutual interest. In today's digital age, she's probably also wondered, what kind of texter is he? Texting styles can low-key make or break a couple's whole chemistry and vibe. Like, does he leave you on read for days? Does he respond lightning fast? His texting patterns offer clues about his communication style. Another biggie, what makes him laugh? Everybody loves a guy with a good sense of humor, am I right? So she's probably daydreamed about the types of jokes or situations that really get you cracking up. Having that shared laughter wavelength is huge for bonding as a couple. But the question at the very top of her mind might be, is he looking for a relationship right now? She's straight up gauging if you even seem open and available to date right now. Little signs like mentioning being single, trying to get alone time with her, or just straight up complimenting her looks could factor into her perception. At the end of the day, all these types of questions just circle back to one main thing. She's trying to feel out if you two could have some romantic potential together as a couple. When a girl starts asking about your life, interests, dating status, and so on, it's a good sign her mind has started to wander in your direction. So pay close attention to the hints and clues. You may just discover a wonderful new relationship brewing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to After School Psychology for more dating tips, tricks, and hacks.